Welcome back, everybody, to the Grand Shamrock Tour. My name is John.
And I'm Caroline.
And as most of you know, we are really adventure enthusiasts, and we're about to start a brand new adventure.
Oh yeah, well we got a Polaris XP 1000. It's a little sport. It's brand new, and we thought we'd tie it down safely.
Well, we have tied down a lot of things along the way, and I hope we have enough tie downs. This is going to take a while. Carolyn discovered this, the RhinoUSA product, that we are looking forward to showing you how easy it is to install and probably how efficient and effective it is going to be to use.
Yeah, it's got to be better than the old bungees that we've had in the past.
Yeah, a little bit better than the bungee. The other thing that we're excited about is this is going to make it a lot easier to get out and get going in a hurry. And if you know anything about her,
well, I seem to always be in a hurry.
She's always in a hurry.
Yeah, anything to make it safer, much more simple. And I wanted those wheel chocks to put the UTV in the safe place every time.
Right. It does make it a little bit easier. So give us a little minute while we set up. We're going to get some measurements, and then I'll show you how easy this is to install. Well, yeah, I really do want to take the opportunity to share with you guys how easy this install was. The box even says effortless securing and releasing of your UTV, and I'm going to tell you, that's effortless. Installation was pretty effortless too. So I would encourage you, first of all, you want to make sure that you've got everything set up with your measurements, and so you want to measure your front, the distance in the center line of your rear axle and your front axle, and they're probably going to be different, so make sure you check that. And once you've got that center line in, I used a square, a 1/4-inch drill bit, and they're 10mm bolts, so you're going to need a 10mm wrench and socket to attach it. They come with the lock nuts on the bolt, which, I mean, super easy to secure. Once you get through, you get your measurements, you're going to put your chocks front and rear on both wheels, because you want to make sure you get the distance. You want to make sure that they're chalked up nice and good when the vehicle's rolled in. And then I used the square to make sure everything is exactly square to the trailer frame itself. Went on super simple. Bolt, drill, bolt, drill, bolt, drill. 8 different chock locations. Very easy to do. Then it's just simply a matter of using that effortless E-track system, because it clips in position, pull over, clamp it down, and then Rhino gives you these really great Velcro straps that go around. So once you roll your straps up, and I don't know if you're like me, I've always spent time trying to figure out so they're not flipping down the road. These Velcro straps are made out of some kind of insane space age Velcro material, because they're they just hard to get loose. That's wonderful. They hold everything in position. It really is effortless. It's a very simple install. It's an effortless loading and unloading of your side-by-side. And I will tell you, we have a link to the product below. We got it from Amazon, and just took a day to get it to us. It comes with travel bags for the straps when they're not in use. Everything you need is provided except the tools for install, and like I just described to you, they're very easy, simple to have. I would encourage you to use this, and I would encourage you to use one of those. They're really fun. And if nothing else, we hope to see you guys out there and on the road. And we have been doing this adventure for quite some time. We have a ton of tie downs.
Okay, we're going to start over.
Oh, does this not come down my nose?
Yeah. You want me to go get you a tissue? Oh no, you got it. When you first started?
We probably still have the bungee cords we used to tie our stuff down with. The bungee cord. Yeah. This is going to take a while. Well, they're nothing more than that was going so good. Go. Well, I don't do. Let's start over again, and because I just kind of yawned.
Okay.
Right. It does make it a little bit easier. So give us a little minute while we set up. We're going to get some measurements, and then I'll show you how easy this is to install. Okay, there you go.